Yeah. And so, um, getting back to what I was talking about, the Generation X was called Generation X because even though, you know, they were they were getting downloads, um, and they were being gifted, they still had very much a lack mindset to that made them greedy, that made them selfish, that you know made them vengeful. You know, um, so sardonic humor, just appealed to them. You know, it it gave them a sense of reality. And even when they had achieved money, you know they couldn't back out, because if they were in the music industry, or if they were in the entertainment industry, like I said, there's 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 all of these gangster enterprises that work behind the scenes and are sponsoring these these events. So, and when they tried to get out, they realized that they can't get out. And sometimes, damn it, I forgot my bag. I forgot my purse. Uh, yeah. And I'm being stared at because my dog pooped. You wouldn't happen to have an extra bag, would you?
You might. I don't carry one.
You have an extra bag?
I'm sorry, what?
An extra poop bag.
I don't have any more.
Okay.
I use one.
We just went, so she used it.
Okay.
Sometimes I carry 2 or 3, but I didn't today.
A lot of parks have them. This is
But they have
not
them
my
here,
year.
the way at the
At
other
the end?
end. Yeah.
Oh, I went the
Whoa,
wrong way.
You all right? You okay, baby, huh? You chopped it. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you'll make it through. They're pathetic, aren't they?
So, yeah, left the damn bags in the car. And they said that the bags they have here at this park are way at the other end. So, anyway, getting back to what I was talking about. So, now this is like I said, this is having to do with the underworld, right? But it has even happened in other sectors. right? Where big business has you know, taken over the mission and the purpose of, you know, say an enterprise. And, you know, we're hearing it now where, you know, even the doctors who are like, look, you know, I got into this business to be a healer. And, you know, they're being stopped from healing for people because decisions that were made at the top, right? And you know, sometimes that's things like, you know, the patient is too old, the patient doesn't have enough finances, and sometimes, you know, it could be even as simple as oh wow, they have a whole gym at this park. Look at that. See that? They have a whole gym. I'm definitely gonna have to try it out. See if I could do it. Hold on.